Good morning, guys. I would like to make a quick video on the process and other stuff that I use to do this paint correction. There's a lot involved and a lot of time consuming, a lot of products, a lot of machines. I know some of you out there, maybe you would like to have some questions answered. So I'm going to show you little by little all the stuff that I use. I have this beautiful Jeep. It's a good friend of mine. He's been calling me, telling me that he has a lot of problems with the swirl marks, and he actually doesn't even drive the truck as much because of this problem. I gave him a price. He was pretty happy about the price. So he brought it. So today, it's time to kick ass on this truck. But so far, it's coming up really good. I think it's gonna be really happy with the end result. So starting off, right, we go with some clay. Before this, I usually wash the truck. Then after that, I'll clay. Use a clay bar just to get all like the contaminants, road tar, tree sap, etc. Then after that, I usually use compound. This time, because the truck is so bad, I have to bring out the rotary, which is my flex machine. This machine is one of the best machines I ever bought. I got the microfiber pad, the red one. That works extremely good. Then after that, I usually go with my 15. I usually use this one because I got the washer in the middle. So it springs freely, so it cuts even faster. Very happy with my machines. So some of the pads that I use to cut is my wires cutting pad. I got this one, which is from Buff and Shine company. Then I go with my Rupes yellow pad just to polish. This one cuts a little bit. And then for my final, I'll go with the white pad with my Rupes pad. I'll show you some of my microfiber towels. This is just a regular Home Depot brand. This one I usually use for windows, wheels, door jams. This one right here, it's a little more, the quality is a little better than this one. I use this one just to take the compound off, just the white compound off the panels. And this one right here is edgeless. And this one I usually use it just to take out the coatings. My light, just to check my imperfection, how how it's cutting. That'll tell me which process I gotta deal with next. So I usually check it out. So. And pretty much just a little video of what I use. I use my wires, my Pro Speed for this bad boy. Then I go with the flat top from Shine Supply. That's what I use my Rupes with, and my microfiber pads. And this one is just to get into the little corners and edges of the machines. Then for the polish, I top it off with a slick black. And then for the white pad, I use my Essence Card Pro. This one, it has a little bit of fillers, but it helps me a little bit, when you wipe down the panels, that I don't leave any light scratches on the panel. So that comes out pretty good. I'm very happy with that product. And then just in case if I need, this one right here, you should have used it for, you know, for little corners, all the stuff that I can get with the big machine. So this is another machine that I use right here. So basically, you know, people sometimes ask, you know, what it takes to do a paint correction the right way, and this is what it takes. There's a lot more involved. I'm just making a short video, but I use all of these just for this panel right here. So you can actually see the difference. All right, man. Thanks for watching. Thanks.